Hello everyone, welcome to another Android development tutorial using Kotlin. In this video I am going to show you how we can move to another activity and how we can pass data between activities. So I have created one project here and it has one activity. It's called main activity, and this is the layout file of this main activity main, and we have only one text view. So if I run this, it looks like this. So to start a different activity, we need something called intent. Intent is an object that provides runtime binding between two activities. So basically it is an object where we can put data and we can start another activity. And that second activity can read the data from this intent. And the data that we provide, it is passed as key value pairs. And we use one method, it's called start activity, and we need to pass that intent to start one new activity. Let me show you with one example. We have this main activity here. I'm going to create another activity, new activity. I'm going to select this basic activity, or let's select empty activity. It's second activity. Suppose the name is second activity. Click on finish. Now I'm going back to this main activity XML file. I'm deleting this text view here, and I'm going to add one text box here, edit text. So if you search it here as edit text, these are editable text. So I'm going to add this plain text, and I'm going to add one button. Drag it to the top, to the left, to the right, and to the top of this button. Then I'm dragging to the left, right. So I'm giving some padding below. So basically we'll create one application. The user will enter text in this text box, and the user will click on this button and it will move to the second activity, and the second activity will show the text that he has entered in this text box. So I'm splitting this edit text name is, suppose I give the ID as edit text, and the button ID is button. Now I'm going back to this activity Kotlin file. Here I will initialize one latent variable, edit text, and inside this onCreate method I'll point it to this edit text that we have created. I need to import this edit text. You can press Alt Enter or on Mac Option Enter. It will show this import. Then when this button will click, we'll call one method. So on click on button click. You can press Alt Enter and create on button click in main activity. So this is the method that will be called when the user will click on this button. And here we'll create one intent. This intent says that we are moving from this activity to this second activity. And optionally, we can pass data from one activity to another activity. So let's do this as start activity I. That's we need to pass the intent in this start activity method. Let me restart the application. Now, if I click on this button, it will start the second activity. We'll get the text that is entered in this edit text and we'll pass that text to the second activity. So you can use apply and you can use this method put extra to pass data from one activity to another activity. This put extra will put the data inside this intent. So it takes data as key value pairs. The keys, you can give any key name. Suppose I give it as data and the value is that is in this edit text. I've converted this text to string and put it with a key name data. Now let's move to the second activity. We need one text view here in this second activity. Let me change the text as empty text and the ID as, suppose it is second text view. Now we'll get the data that main activity passed to the second activity. We can get it inside on create. We have one method called get string extra that can be used to get the data from the intent that we got. We have different methods, like we can get the boolean if boolean is passed, or character, or string, float, and you can check all these methods here. So for now we are passing one string, so I'll write it as get string extra. The name is the key that we passed here. This is the name. Now we got this data here. Intent value is the string that we passed from main activity to second activity. Now we will assign this data to this text view. I'm restarting the app. Let me enter something here. Here you can see that this text is showing in this second activity. So that's for now. If you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.